What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bank Robber and I'm back with another weekly breakdown on Gbpjpy. Now, again, we're gonna start off from the monthly 11 days to close. Last week I dropped a video, it was 18 days. I have this line marked at 193,454, which is actually a monthly resistance. Let's make this blue. I believe if we close and stay above this area of resistance, we could come in here and target that with the time being. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I think this is a target that we could potentially target, right? Or aim for. Now, very easy, right? GJ is very easy. We're still bullish, right? Check the weekly time frame. Now, I already have these two black lines. Excuse me. And the reason why I have these two black lines already dotted is because if you look at the weekly, we closed above this double top. Got the liquidity, whatever you want to call it, and now we are potentially going up higher, right? To where? Well, I see the first cluster area or area of interest around these areas. I'm gonna make this one, let's say yellow, just for the purposes. And why am I marking this up now is because it's getting close, right? It's weekly support, so this whole cluster area I feel is dangerous, right? Which is also close to, was that the monthly, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, which is also close to the monthly. So this whole area, guys, very important to pay attention to. On the higher time frame, you could always get a reaction from here. If the reaction is 150 pips, well, then you made some nice money, right? I don't care if it's counter trend trade, just make sure you're counter trend trading at these levels of weekly slash monthly resistance because you're gonna get a reaction off of that, right? Now, what do I think is going to happen? Obviously, we're still bullish, right? We do have a mini rejection, but I don't think it's enough to actually close or actually flip this weekly candle. Can it happen? Yes. But keep in mind, you're still bullish. So what I'm looking for again is a wick probably down into this resistance area, these two black lines that I've drawn, and then a body up, right? To then continue and fill in this wick rejection. Now, if you look at the daily, right? Look at the daily. What happened on the daily? Well, we broke above, right? We came down, created support. So kind of have a break and a retest, right? We tested here, and now we should on the daily come down into this area, something like that. Let me get rid of these drawings real quick. Say this is the support. Come down, test, and then a body to the upside, right? Testing this area for sure. So here also an area to pay attention to, real nice and neat for next week. A nice target to target on Monday or Tuesday. We'll see what price wants to give you, right? And then if you look on the 4 hour, where could we potentially test down to, right? If you see here 4 hour support, what does that align with? There you have it for you. There you have it, right? You mark it off as a zone. I don't know how you guys draw your zone. Draw the zone, wait for price to come in here, show you some nice price action, take the trade back up to this level of resistance. Also, mind you, this 4 hour um, resistance area here. So this could be your TP1, and then you could have a TP2 up in this area. GJ at this moment is very simple if you're looking for buys. Don't overcomplicate things. I'm currently still in buys from down here, right? Don't overcomplicate it. Just buy it until you actually have a break of structure big enough. Like, yeah, we did break structure here and we rejected here, but we broke this area. Does that mean anything? No, because yeah, we broke and then we bounced right back up. Could this be a pullback for the weekly candle to actually flip bearish or actually reject here, not be able to break higher than the previous weekly and then engulf? We could, but that's why you have to stay fluid in the market and actually see what the market wants to do. Because think about it, if we come up here, right, we test here, we reject, and then we create resistance here coming down and we break below by the end of the week, what does that indicate to you? Well, you're breaking below. You're gonna next week you're probably gonna look for the shorts, right? But that's a little bit too much of looking into the future. I don't like doing that. I like to go and trade day by day. See how my daily candles close. Well, if you look at this daily candle today, what does it tell you? Very simple, dude. You look for a wick down, smaller time frames, you look for your zones, and then you take it to the next daily resistance. Very simple. Don't overcomplicate trading. Take it day by day, week by week. Look at it on the weekly, and at the end of the month, pay attention to how the monthly close, so you can catch that mega pull bottom wick on the monthly today and continue. Right. So that was a weekly breakdown. A nice, cool 5 minutes for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions, the Discord link will be down in the description below. Leave a sub and turn on those notifications. It's your boy Bank Robber. I'm out. Peace.